When considering a help desk software like Web Help Desk, there are several things you need to know before making a decision. This software is an effective tool, but it's important to compare it with other options to see if it's the right fit for your business. Here are the 12 key things to know before buying. First, Web Help Desk offers strong ticketing capabilities. It allows you to easily track customer issues and requests, creating tickets that can be assigned to the right team members. This feature is essential for improving response times and managing workflows. However, it's important to compare this with other solutions like Freshdesk, which offers more customizable ticket workflows and integrates with a wider range of platforms. Next, Web Help Desk has a user-friendly interface. Its clean, easy to navigate design makes it accessible for new users without any complicated training. However, some users have mentioned that the interface can feel a little outdated compared to competitors like Zendesk, which offers a more modern and intuitive design. The third thing to consider is its reporting and analytics features. Web Help Desk provides decent reporting tools, allowing you to track your team's performance and customer satisfaction. But if you need deeper insights, platforms like ServiceNow offer more robust reporting options with advanced analytics. The fourth thing to note is its integration capabilities. Web Help Desk supports integration with several platforms, including CRM systems and email. But its integrations are not as extensive as some competitors like Freshservice, which integrates with more third-party tools and apps. Another important factor is its pricing model. Web Help Desk offers a straightforward pricing plan, which can be more affordable for small to medium businesses. However, if you're running a larger operation, you might find it lacking in terms of scalability when compared to more flexible pricing options offered by platforms like Jira Service Management. Next, Web Help Desk comes with a knowledge base feature, which allows you to create self-service resources for your customers. This can be a huge time saver for both your team and your customers. However, it's not as advanced as the knowledge base options in Zendesk, which offers better customization and search functionality. The seventh thing to keep in mind is its customer support. Web Help Desk provides email and phone support, but some users report that response times can be slow. Competitors like Freshdesk provide 24/7 support with quicker response times, which could be a better option for businesses that require around-the-clock assistance. Moving on, Web Help Desk offers strong automation features like automated ticket assignment and response rules. This helps your team save time by reducing manual tasks. But again, if you need more advanced automation, you might want to explore platforms like Zoho Desk, which offer more sophisticated workflows. The ninth thing is its mobile app. Web Help Desk offers a mobile app for on-the-go support, but it's not as polished as some competitors. If mobile access is a priority for you, you might find the mobile apps of platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk more user-friendly. Next, Web Help Desk excels at providing a multi-channel help desk experience. You can support customers by email, web forms, and phone. However, its multi-channel capabilities don't extend as far as platforms like Intercom, which also includes live chat and messaging across more channels. The 11th thing is its customizability. Web Help Desk allows you to tailor the software to some extent, but it's not as flexible as competitors like Jira Service Management, which offers more in-depth customization options for larger enterprises with specific needs. And finally, Web Help Desk is a good choice for those looking for simplicity and affordability. It doesn't overwhelm users with too many features and gets straight to the point. However, for businesses that need highly customizable workflows, advanced integrations, or enterprise-level support, a more powerful solution like Freshservice or ServiceNow might be a better fit. Overall, Web Help Desk is a solid option for smaller businesses that need a simple and affordable help desk solution. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features, integrations, or scalability, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.